동방님이 모주체 하는 사람이 공다야 동이 공야 모주도 공야 두체가 야구유사에 드레이버에도 따마시마다 가시 폐시버리거나 성이 개념을 폐두자바 아니 카다 예방도 지도 구수 쌍마야체 주요 아니 소수의 생기 제가 라바가 기야 어디나 카다 가서 야구지만 카다 따라비는 야구래 카다 가오 아니 되네 나도 소수 나도 되게 기요 되네 소수 라바가 청와 여단 청와체 체외제 어디 숨지 나 배, 산이 자주세면 너같이 표기. 너무 보여주는 거, 산이. 어떤 인사, 니는 좀 먼저 불러줘야 되겠다.
So, for starters, the first thing is to set our motivation.
니콜로드의 수제지스 표현이 먼저 너가 듣고 있다. 되셨어. 오, 엠블바 좀데 되셔서 주와야 도에 상계 리바 전서 대화 실마 기대케마 기호들의 가로 나나 네바 바가 민남게 그런가 상계 주게 그래야 세냐 두마라 제도 중대 대시자와 다주마야 바바 노게 상계 관저도 해마 대화실마 기대케 기호들의 가로 유아야나네 민남게 그런가 상계 주게 그래야 세냐 두마라
보죠. They have a nuts.
Have a good tea. 장중 쌤다 돈이 걸음지 지리 쪽에는 모조리 지들이 아니냐고 그 물어봐 모조 제배 깎라 지난도 내가 요거들 요라기나 슈우려고나 심지라고 때 생각나 양무요래 난 뭐지 신기로와 난 마음에 시셔가 있나야 야게 재수되기로 와 리바 인자 진당 도와이나 해도 좀
So, while I'm giving the introduction to bodhicitta and emptiness,
그래서 가양 송과 양국지 생수와 강한 도수에다 먼저 구동주에 들어가래. 딱 말하는 거에 아주 내용에 지기와 그래서 되고 맞다. 생수래. 너무 떴어 භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස බුද්ධං शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं नमो गुरुवे नमो बुद्धाय नमो धर्माय नमो संघाय 강제 도저히 손에 넣어도 제법에 지금 강제 주는 건 교육보다 더 일은 교육 손나다니 건 교육보다 더 대매 제도 교육 Then Sanskrit ki thone ani chir sangi ki choto hapo tebo chung dongara chu ne toga chung yore hapo doya tata ke chishira ina pebe ki di nala sangi teba wata be doma yong su zowa cha sama chima teba be nare ne shishung digi di pebe di nala ani ne toga chu chung yore dide yinza ki yusum ki thone ani
So, just now, as I was reciting my own prayers, I recited first, I'm honoring the Buddha in the Pali language, then in Sanskrit, and then a prayer in Tibetan. So why the three languages? Right now, if we look at the Buddhist teachings in the world, how the Buddhist teachings continue in the world, it really comes down to these three languages. We have the Pali tradition, which is also the Theravada tradition, and then in the Sanskrit language, that's the source for the Mahayana and the Vajrayana teachings. And then really right now, continuing today, Buddhism continues in the Tibetan language. So in keeping with that, I recited these three languages.
Sangi ki chö seyongde tante zamling nala tarta tarshimba o delegi sangi ki chö de ane sangi tongki tamki namjen shaki sangi ki chö chabi yore delegi chö de chondam tola ane jige gobuludu ki sungi nala ya yobana shinche ne ane sangi chomde negi tomar chanchu chö tuke 바로 계신 참내 숨이 솟아 타로 먹어서 상게네 아니 저번이니까라 제가 좀 얘기 제가 제 아니 저 콜로코 제가 제네 아니 정말이었어.
So the Buddhist teachings that we have now within these 1,000 Buddhas that will have come and will come, this is the teachings of the fourth guide or teacher, and when we look at particularly Shakyamuni's teachings, as Nagarjuna puts it in his own texts, the Buddha, our teacher, first generated the thought of enlightenment, of awakening, what we're calling bodhicitta, and then accumulated countless stores of merit and wisdom, countless accumulations, and then in the end attained awakening. And then upon attaining awakening, the Buddha displayed the 12 deeds of Buddha, and most particularly the deed of turning the wheel of the Dharma. And that turning of the wheel of the Dharma is what gives us Buddhism as we have it in this world today.
남체 좀 많이 추루 시다 지나 제네 계시셔베나 주당기 추시했어요. 나 점링디나 아니 그림부터 그림부터 숨차와 아니 최도 생리 네가 마달베 주지 되네 최도 생리 네기 나네 생리 다 아니 최 수정 마달베 주지 다 되네 zamling di nala ya ta namshu soche chulu chimu digi tsama pa tarya seri ya tarya digi tisu chik tisu sum chungare ta tande ki thurup dila tanda ki thurup kadar chigi tenrup ki ane tik tenrup ki tisu tenrup ki zamling ane tende ki ta tenrup ki chiso rwa Didi nala mune tane zamling di nala ya churu shibuji tarore ta di nala churu tarchewa yani ge chuzi yore ta di nala namasa gibi churu deya churu tarchewa che nala kanda zi yore es ta didi namasa gibi churu dida namasa gibi churu maye gibi churu 아니 치즈베 초되게 자고 그래서 또 좋다 제 마제기 돈에 계좌 마셔봐 제네 마셔봐 이나 하나부터 네가 미겨워 주 방야 개워주 주야 류다가 그 제당에서 망쳐와 여러 종류です유도가 단단한데 넘버 3기 최대 주로 시행다 mentality 유대 내가 해 아니 다음에 따와지라 두고요 제 데데데 아니 배상 넘버 3기 주로도 심주체 치료의 주로도 심주체 데데지가 통하네 시행도에 직차고요 대연사 공부를 좀 주기행기 배 나전자 개배 주기행 공부를 좀 배 나전자야 주도 지다 나전자세 되나 최다 주를 담는 마수지 장사기 유니버시티 소로 지르고 제가 어디 뒤담다 배 나전자 나와야 공부를 좀 배네 공부를 좀 심주하고 나베 최지 가제도 치료의 최지 가제도 심주 최지 제용은 아니 나가서는 게 최대 초지 지금 거 보고 개 말해게 나가서는 게 최소 게 뭐 살아야 맞아 나시 미지 갈래갈래 아니 전주적으로 세 투지적으로 시험으로서 전주적으로 세게 상게 내내 상기 최소당 돼야 생제 탐지 누기 사와 당지는 두유가 예사 당지면서야 다음에 따와도 최지 아니 그 다음에 따와 두유도 아니 좀 되게 나도 따와 까야 다음에 따와 때야 되네 난 최지 수가래 그 수가데 공부를 주기 해용도 하는 공부를 주기 좀 되더라야 간기 투생에서는 따와 던지 방배체 다배전에 돼서 고담대가 차차로 세네 되잡혀버리스 네가 따와 탐지 시에 따와 대 나도 따와 싸워를 제외 따와 예마 탐지 방해하고 체도 아니 다음에 뜻을 던지 던지 순간에 하자발에 가진 친구를 세네 잡혀버리스.
And so, to distinguish Buddhism from other religions, it comes down to the view of selflessness. So if we look back to the example of Nagarjuna, Nagarjuna was located at the monastery of Nalanda. So Nalanda was a monastery in India which had very much like a university in the sense that there were lots of different views. There were Buddhists and there were also non-Buddhist proponents there. And when Nagarjuna came to Nalanda, he analyzed the various views. He analyzed what Buddhists were saying and what non-Buddhists were saying. And he was able to consolidate really what distinguishes Buddhism. And what he said, one of these distinguishing features, one is that Buddhism does not accept a creator God or a creator of the universe. Another is that, according to the teachings of the Buddha was himself a person who started out ordinary, developed bodhicitta, developed the desire to attain awakening, and eventually became an awakened being. And then the third is selflessness. The Buddha taught is built entirely around the conclusion that at the root of suffering is grasping to a self, and therefore the Buddha taught the view of selflessness to counteract grasping onto a self. And so a lot of the Buddhist teachings are focused on refuting the view that there is a self. And so when Nagarjuna saw this, he then praises the Buddha from the perspective of selflessness, praising the Buddha as the one who has abandoned wrong views and taught selflessness, and prostrated to the Buddha on the grounds for the reason of the Buddha having taught selflessness.
링규 대징 산스크리트나 송바야 요래 얘네 쫓아왔대 빨리게나 수샤마디 제 대바시기 주체 다 얘네 산스크리트 초보로 좀 많이 봤었는데 아니 갸가 유기 네 자꾸 그래서 대라 아니 좀 되게 아니 최고로 바바 니바고 니바디 세바 신이메 초고로스 랑기 신이 좀 매스체 또 모델 동이 최다의 랑시 동바이 최다의 랑기 신이 매 동바이 이 모습에 아니 지금 배려와 자주 쌤기 쌤배 아무것도 랑기 받을 수 도시에 또 정된되기 콜로 박백값은 질 동반익도 나와 동이 나와대다 정주세 고 수발에 초보를 뭐 숨었대라 유양바체 사자 대라 아니 정된되기 아니 고불루를 공부하잖아 세미제 탐지기 교라 상계획 네바이거래 상계획 르거래 디시션은 인풋 때문에 도스 그래 어디서 제 저기 디스 딘제기 아니 콜로 밖에 주에다 아니 콜로 탐에 주에 너가 이게 나네 도체 대구점 대체 대구 지중이 나네 대체체 딘제기 주기 게임에 삼르게 나가 수발에스
based on how he taught the Dharma. And so if we look at how the Buddha taught the Dharma, how the Buddha turned the wheel of the Dharma, there were three turnings of the Dharma. The first in Varanasi, so in India, in Varanasi, in the first turning of the wheel of the Dharma, the Buddha taught the Four Noble Truths. This teaching was primarily in Pali. It also is extant in Sanskrit, but primarily this teaching was spoken in Pali. Then the second turning of the wheel of the Dharma happened at Vulture's Peak, and this is the turning of the wheel of the Dharma, which teaches emptiness, the silenceless, the lack of characteristics of all phenomena, that all phenomena are without any defining characteristics or essential nature. And here, in these teachings, the primary teaching was on emptiness, but implicitly, along the way, the Buddha was also teaching Bodhicitta. So that the main content of this teaching was the direct or immediate teaching of Buddhism, of emptiness, and then the teaching of, implicitly the teaching of Bodhicitta. And then in the third turning of the wheel of the Dharma, which took place at Yangpache Saraswati, Yangpache Saraswati, in Vaishali, the Buddha taught the third turning of the wheel of the Dharma. And here the primary teaching was that all beings have the potential to attain enlightenment, that they have Buddha nature. And these teachings are called the Bhagavad teachings, the teachings on the essence of enlightenment. So for the second and third teaching, the second and third turnings of the Dharma, between Sutra and Tantra, these are Sutra teachings. Between Hinayana and Mahayana, these are Mahayana teachings. And the language in which they are taught was Sanskrit.
제가 샘기 랑신기 꼬르데 소용도 자마 디기 갑디디 샘기 랑신기 꼬르데 샘라베기 내다바 제네 아니 랑신 꾸즈비 랑신 단단비 랑신지 숨으래 이는 디기 미유디 가래라라 아니 좀된디기 모바라 샘 참모 신도 차게 샘다 제네 동반기지 숨으러와 딘디기 수냐 비 체도 아니 대신 이것 때문에 너희 가라 사마 유추 수냐기 시딘 된 거래. 대시딘 땡용도 딱 대시고 딱 사마기 룩시자잖아. 주요 콜로 수미가라 시바요. 다 주요 콜로 시바데 율기 차는 율 아마르바디 갸가르 바꾸이기 bombe gegoyor 율 아마르바디 체 아마르바디 치고 말해 아마르바디 율 녜바 아마르바디 율 마녜바 강사 수수수수 뒤지 사바바디 이담 하샤네 사마 숨샤바 망고요 대대에서 율 녜바 마녜바 녜바 소리 땡겨봐 율 땡겨봐 율 녜바다 율 마녜바 찌르라 아니 사기 좀 되게 도시 좀 꿀려야 셴네 사마 주로 소바레스 아 대주게 나와 지 산스크리트 인지미지 산스크리트 이거야 요 말에 게 잡는 거래 로마스스스 디스스스스게 아니 지금 네바다 뛰네 게 잡는 거래 강다 사마 주게 소바레스
turning of the wheel of the Dharma, or the Buddha taught Buddha nature, in the Tathagata Sutras. This teaches the nature of the mind. And here in this context, the Buddha was talking about the gross or obvious nature of the mind. And here, the Buddha did distinguish between the conventional and an ultimate nature of mind, but it was at a gross or obvious level. And here, the Buddha's objective and goal in teaching his teachings was to lay the foundation for then teaching tantric teachings. And so that brings us to what we would say is the fourth teaching, a fourth turning of the wheel of the Dharma, in which the Buddha taught the Vajrayana. And here, the place was Amaravati, but not just Amaravati. So that here, yes, that was a place where it was taught, but it was not confined to any particular place, because the Dharma, the Vajrayana teachings were taught wherever that experience occurred to disciples. So based on the potential of the disciple, then the Buddha Vajradhara would appear and give teachings. And for this reason, the Vajrayana teachings are also not confined to the Sanskrit language. That according to the potential and the predilections of the disciple, the teachings were given in various languages. Going back to that verse from Nagarjuna, his homage to the Buddha for how he taught the teachings. What I've just said speaks to how the Buddha taught the teachings. And now if we look again at the language in which these teachings were taught, when the Buddha taught in Pali, those Pali teachings spread to in Southeast Asia to Thailand, Cambodia, and other such countries, as well as to Sri Lanka. Whereas the Buddhist teachings given in Sanskrit were spread in India itself, and then in the 8th century, these teachings arrived in Tibet under the auspices of the king Songtsen Gampo. And from that point, in the 8th century till now, these teachings have flourished in Tibet.
히말라야 기소리 나이라 베베기 최라 태송 건수지기 치게 나와서 나이라 나머지 상매기 캠페인이 뷰규 남대기 아니 최 교과 같은 주말에 간제스 비교나 되기 최나 아니 맨날 갈까는 거래 대조 캠프에 하자게 yes.
So something very important for Himalayan peoples, and it's also important for any Westerner who is hearing and thinking, contemplating Tibetan Buddhism. Something we need to understand is the particular Tibetan lineages through which Buddhism has arrived to us. What are the various Tibetan lineages of Buddhist practice?
디자다 추기 겨우 손생이 갑라 더러야 상기 추 달야 고주네 디슈라 조디 겨우 추송기가 추기 겨우 손생가 베제라 아니 추기 겨우 추송 대세세기 주말에 어디 추송 대세기 갑라 아니 캠로 추수 대좀스 캠보 나랬다기 캠보 케지 부디사도 되네 저기 로베 빼만 좀 아니 계속 추기 계속 추송되세 콘두스 좀네 아니 별이야 추배 니마샤로 나신기 다게 주고 좋아해 된대기 추 당고 당대야 되라 만주 닝면 추 소고요래 제가 계속 추수네 마 당대외기 만주 닝면기 추기세직 요래스 만주 닝면기 추기 나와야 동아 용수도 같이 요래 이내 토모마에 바데 사마 라메기 카투르데 용데 조 조바치고 아니 조신기 모두 토네 지고 모두네 산기 유튜브 탑시수 요래 디 닝메 체체 켄지시도
And so when we look at these lineages, then we have the Dharma King Songtsen Gampo, and then after Songtsen Gampo you have the Dharma King Chisung Detsen, and it's at that point that Buddhism really takes off with, we call this triad of the scholar, the master, and the king. The scholar is Shantarakshita, the master is Guru Rinpoche, and the king is Chisung Detsen himself. And these three came together like the sun coming out, the Buddha Dharma flourished. And we call that flourishing, that original early transmission of the Dharma is called the ancient teachings, the old school, or the Nyingma tradition. And within the Nyingma tradition, it has all of the teachings of Sutra and Tantra. It's a completely sufficient and full tradition. And what makes the Nyingma teachings special, their special characteristic, is their presentation of the Vajrayana with their unique teachings of the Great Completion or Dzogchen.
아니 별이야 상기 최대나 저기 사마 다기 최자의 계제 아니 디디 계제네 상기 대바 때스지다 칼로 대바야 교육이다 아니 대바 냠주의 얘가 정말에 대기만 예자 아니야 여기 계고 딱 좀만이 계고래 그 슈퍼나 슈게네 아니 야 배달된다네 배달된다다 아니 딱딱 셰야 요아 얘기하는데 야가 갑자기 딱 깨다 치수 기술 상승 대봐 기술 기대 기고 대바다 저번 세토게 아니 개별을 수도 와 쉬우지 나 이대한테 또 조직반대 어디셔 배리 제가 딱 조직반대 어디셔지 앞에야 되지 내가 조직반대 어디셔 별로 팬네 안 조직 어디셔기 아니 제가 손에 딱 로메조 좀 되치고 제리스 주변 생겨요 대나시기 아니 지금 로자와 어떤 제 로자와 붙여요 어떤 도시에 강다를 조직반대 어디셔 좀 되게 주네 가방 끝이 넘어서 되네마 제네 제가 최지 다뤄 해라 아니 조 가방 배추로서 반대로 원래 아니니 가방 닝매추 스포라 딱 가방 닝매추기 계절하고 돼 조대 아니 가방 닝매추가야 아니 저기 사실 최소 때문에 저거 좀 되는데 조우시샤 뭐래 닝제 가져 파주 제제시 되네 텔레비 가져 저마 되네 투도기 가져 아니 차만 도제 가다 다시 조 관함 시샤 하래 최송세 되라 아니 기부수기 최 그러와 좀 조지 반대 아디샤니 청주 랑주연시 싸우려 그래 어디다라 최당제 상기기 최당제 기부수기 라면 되는 소리 딱디 도모마에 해주지 인소 거라 어떤 도스에 가담 하시 추수 데데 추지 다 디추되라 아니 가담 닝미 추수
So then later, after that point, really because of kind of the misuse of tantric teachings, there was a decline in the Buddha Dharma in Tibet. There was a period in which the Buddha Dharma degenerated. And then after that sort of period of degeneration, one of the great kings from the area of Mari went in search of great Indian masters to revive Buddhism in Tibet. And so he invited masters from Nalanda, but not just Nalanda, from all the great centers of learning in India. He invited them to Tibet in search of masters who could propagate the Dharma. And who he found was the unparalleled and extraordinary Atisha. And so he invited Atisha to Tibet, and when Atisha came, Atisha then again revived the Dharma, taught the Dharma, most particularly to his immediate student, Trungpa, who was himself an incarnation of Avalokiteshvara, and also among Atisha's students were many great translator masters. And that tradition that came out of Atisha's teachings is called the Kadam school, and particularly, to use the right terminology, we'd call it the old Kadam tradition. And what's sort of the distinguishing characteristic of the Kadam tradition is 4 deities and 3 dharmas. The 4 deities are the Shakyamuni himself, Avalokiteshvara, Tara, and Vajrapani. And then the 3 teachings are none other than the 3 beings of the Lamrim. So Atisha taught the great Lamrim text, the lamp of the path, and within that enumerated the 3 beings or 3 levels of scope of the lesser being, or being of lesser scope, medium scope, and great scope.
Mahamudra Sidwa Chaga Chungugi Tanga and Tumo Mahimaji 인자 냐메 거기 추세야디 지르 동화 용소 추 유대가 지라 소소데 차냐처고 아는 지유다 차냐처고라 때문에 사기 유도 주버 제베 파 어딘지 추 냐메 거기 추
We have the peerless Kagyu teachings. And within that, first, the most important figure is Marpa, the great translator Marpa, who went to India to receive teachings 3 times. And when we think about his impact on Tibet, he's particularly important. He's a particular kindness, and we owe particular debt to Marpa. And so when Marpa studied in India, he studied primarily under 2 masters, Naropa and Maitripa, both who were extraordinary scholar practitioners from Nalanda. And when Marpa comes back to Tibet, among his students, there is the extraordinary yogi, the sort of greatest of all practitioners, Milarepa. And then alongside Milarepa, not famous so much for his meditation practice, but for his ability to explain, is Gampopa. And then the lineage that comes out of that is what we call Kagyu tradition. And the Kagyu tradition incorporated within itself all of the Kadam teachings, and it also has it's complete in its collection of teachings on Sutra and Tantra. It contains all the necessary teachings on Sutra and Tantra. But what distinguishes the Kagyu tradition is their teachings within the context of highest Yoga Tantra on the reality of the mind, the nature of the mind. And these are the particular personal instructions on the nature of the mind. It's called Mahamudra, or the Great Seal, which is considered a very swift method for attaining awakening. And so that's the... So, and the center point of the Sakya tradition are the 5 masters, the 5 original masters of the Sakya tradition. And the Sakya tradition is a complete in its teachings on Sutra and Tantra. And even within this, even though they have the entire transmission of Sutra and Tantra, what distinguishes the Sakya tradition is their teachings on the unity of the awareness and emptiness of the mind, or the clarity and emptiness of the mind, or what we call the indivisibility of samsara and nirvana, or the inseparability of samsara and nirvana. And so that the Sakya practice is centered around attaining, awakening through practicing the inseparability of samsara and nirvana. And then after the Sakya, then we have what's called the Gelugpa tradition, or the Ganden tradition. When we call it the Ganden tradition, we're using a name based on a particular place in Tibet, and we call it the Ganden tradition. Or we can call it the Gelugpa tradition. This tradition was founded by Jetsun Kapa. And
Gelugpa ani church tela ani so kadisiyore lana Jeru chengi tangi kondu shiyona shi ningma ka Sakya Gelu chasam ji ani sensik na pai pare rowa but de gamba ani Jeru je khorang ge ani ta ru ginde be chu ma chi teya tela doma chasam to ne ma shiwe ba yina ani 조조 부터네 좀 아니 공자야데 창조랑주의 조조바데 아디샤 수도 실샤 디 실라 샤네 아니 제롬체게 창조 람림 치모제 창조 람림 딩부제 창조 람림 드바 드드제 도스체 수나 디 제롬체게 도쇼 주의 양의 제기 기부도 도용데 아니 기부수 나오는 기체 다가라가 아니 되네 소마레스 단계에 마가제 최대 소용도 잡아 아니 이동 기소라 이동 상대 직수제 상황과 대조 직시수 제 아니 이동 대단 제배 나기 양의 제용도 아니 상대 직수나 제배 대조 방법제래 다 대대의 대체의 양의 제용도 최경 수마지 거하기가 예자 촉진내 다다 기부수를 남는 최다 제 마음바 아니 상하 최다의 팩터에 제네 그래도 최경 되라야 기부수기 아니 최경 수소래 기부주의 최경 되라 아니 당시 최계 내내 기부주의 적용 되라 남세 기부주의 적용 되라 공부창과 세네 도시어래 대인사 루기 때문에 최 라요도 잡아 아니 가르쳐고 하려나 최 기부수 최 예당 상대 제수 최경 기부수 최경 수선 도수고요.
Like you just found by Jetsun Kapa himself, as I said before, practiced all of the teachings of the Nyingma Kagyu, Sakya, and the Kadam. And the Gelugpa tradition itself contains all of the teachings on Sutra and Tantra. And when we distill it down, what's the sort of central practice? In terms of Sutra and Tantra, the primary Sutra practice of the Gelugpa tradition is based on Atisha's length of the path, so the stages of the path. And Jeron Rinpoche himself composed commentaries on the stages of the path, or Laman texts. So he composed the great commentary, the extended commentary on the stages of the path, the middling and the short commentary on the stages of the path. And this practice centers around the practice of the beings of three scopes. Now, when it comes to Tantric practice, the Gelugpa tradition is centered around three primary deities: Vajrasamaja, Chakrasambhara, and Yamantaka. And Jeron Rinpoche himself composed extensive commentaries explaining how to practice these three deities. And then if we talk about Dharma protectors, then we can assign a Dharma protector for each being of the three 3 levels of the lesser scope, middle scope, and great scope, with the lesser scope focusing on the Dharma protector of Yanjung, the kind of Chungudi. So the first was Gamchin Shugye, the second was Namse, and the third, for the being of great scope, was Nyachok.
Yes. This is all day. All those in there, you get the picture. Taya, they share where Chindi, Jeru Chindi, Chi Chane, Dojo Yamne Day, Chigi Kiusum, Dojo Senata, Chu Yamne Day, Kiusum, Cheda Jen, Sumare. In a Kansa, Keverje, Gashela, Yang Kiusum Yari, Mutu Gomo Wache, Lambizo, Namasum Gomne, and it declared the day out Sumare. Lamzon Lamsum said, Jerusalem Shavaya, Yoris.
Now, something to understand here is the primary teaching on Sutra was the practice according to the 3 levels or 3 scopes. But for some particular students at particular points, Rinpoche also taught the 3 principal aspects of the path.
Nyingma Gagyu Sakya Giru Shimato Kadam Nyingma Ki Gyubase Surdu Yogare. The Gajir Yogarana, Kadam Nyingme Ki Chuki Gyubate, Marazo Nyingma Gagyu Sakya Giru Shigana, Kimchi Yore. This is the Surdu Goyaka Yogares. Today is the Tade Chala, Hugyu Namde Ki Gajasheva Yena, and Chuki Chamu Shi Somato, Nasan Tabu Mares. Luki Chela. Chungrim Chara Na, in a Tate Chama, she did not shelter Kitchen.
So there's actually 5 lineages. There's Nyingma, Kadam, the old Kadam, the Gagyu, Sakya, and Lukpa. But if we look at what we have now, what the sort of vision of Tibetan Buddhism, there's only 4. There's the Nyingma, Gagyu, Sakya, and Lukpa. And the reason for that is that the old Kadam teachings were absorbed into the other 4 lineages such that there's no need to enumerate them separately.
Sange Chungden Bibi Chulu Yiba Chikures, Yawa Chik Mares. Niva de Tangi Yuba Shesoa, Yuba to Sama, Ben Nalendragi, Kimboda, Kebel Mozari, Yugashada. These are Pugi Chugushiga, Ben Nalendragi, and in Chugu Chalvares, the Yibaba, Kebel Chikures. That in Sumadi. Nyingma Gagyu Sakya Giru Vichu Kanje Chik Tesam Gomsum Chevayina Doma Yomzoro La Tesam Gomsum Chetulana Tesam Gomsum Yinare Gom Yamne Chene Ani Semke Tsungyi Zone Jiva Yipane Sangi Yogoba Nyuro Yudu Tobya Yobati Chikuru Kesoma Dede Yiba Pyugi Chukyu Shila di yagare, di dugare, di toare, di mare, chene, ane di degi toane, churu yenji di geja, churu da dega toane, diga saya ki lega, sayin chigyo mares. Chura tepe diga di saba yima yina, ane penya tsik chik simba yina ya tsik summa to, lola simma to. An tsik digi dene samu tana ya samu la dene di samu la tama to, gomje gyana ya gomma to ba, Dindigi and Yaba Chamus. Draw Sumna Tayams, Samna Tayam, Gomna Gulaya, Miguel, and it Cheva, the Kambuchi, Yebes, Draw, just a delay by Yaza, Chulu, the Kasabio, is Samara. 소소님 같은 사게 가르치는 되그리 얘네 주기신 상관과 대화도 그걸 잡으려고 해서 이렇게 주죠.
Something important to bear in mind that all these four lineages have this in common. They're all the teachings of the Buddha. There's no distinction between them in this regard. Second of all, they all go back to the Nalanda tradition. And there's no difference in this regard either. And third of all of them have the teachings on Sutra and Tantra, which are swift means of attaining awakening through getting rid of one's obscurations, accumulating the stores of merit, and becoming a Buddha. There's no difference in this regard either. So there's no basis for saying one is a higher teaching, one's a lower teaching, one is better or worse. And no matter what, we have to avoid accumulating negative karma on the basis of Dharma teachings, by denigrating teachings, or having a lack of respect for these teachings. Should we do so? Should we do actions which are disparage teachings in this way, dividing them in this way? Then when we try to memorize just even a single word, we won't be able to commit it to memory. If we try to think about the meaning of the teachings, we won't understand the meaning. And if we try to meditate on the teachings, it will not transform our mind. So avoid this at all costs. If you're able to study all four traditions, that's best of all. But if not, simply avoid being disrespectful and have an attitude of faith and respect towards all of these lineages.
상기기 최디, 상기기 최 탐제, 표균 남대기 주규시 탐제, 누워있기만이나 아니 가와 누구래라나 내마시는 누구요래. 계속와 내마시 정된되기 내마시 소리야 돼. 내는 동안 마음에 내고, 내는 구주 마음에 내고, 내는 고와 마음에 내고, 내는 람 마음에 내고 스케다는 돼. 양나 라베기 토네 동네 시버차, 구주 고와샤, 고바 모두차, 람 고버차 세야. 오 디디 니시다라 누구요래.
Distill the Buddha's teachings down to their essence. What does it all come down to? It comes down to the Four Noble Truths. So this is where the Buddha identifies saying, this is suffering, this is the origin of suffering, this is the cessation of suffering, this is the path to attain the cessation of suffering. Or if we look at how he explained it in terms of practice, then the Buddha said, recognize suffering, understand its origins, actualize its cessation, and rely upon the path.
Kera dunga gogo meto na tango dunga moshi kores. Toa dunga singe de kanji chire. Di yaku sheba ches, dunga sheba cha. Ta dene kera dunga gogo meto na dunga de jugu res, dunga de gyude ka res, dunga de gyude kunju deba, lega nemo kunju deba res, ke pang res. Dunga de kunju deba panga, ane dunga de pang res chire. Dunga gyude de samlo da chene, dunga deba kunju deba yesu. 나라도 대화 정화사 대화 되게 성주로와 대다 제네 고대가 남대수 대화 모네디 동에 카페 여대 고파스 들다스 케람기 동에 매버스베기 고대 스기니 토바체스 고바 모두 차스 고대 토바체스 디토나 대화 모네디스 고대 토냐 가르쳐버려야지만 아니 토지기 탐람 람기 대화 공부레스 람고버 차스 다 정된되기 최 숭의 여러 배는 될 동네 시바차 군주파와차 고방부두차 남고부차 세피체.
Why did the Buddha teach the Four Noble Truths? The reason is because human beings have two thoughts stuck in their head. One thought is they don't want to suffer, and the other thought is that they want happiness. And because that's how we're wired, that's what the Buddha taught. So based on the fact that we don't want suffering, the Buddha taught the first two noble truths. So the Buddha taught first to recognize, know that there is suffering, the first Four Noble Truths. And then the Buddha asks us to look for the cause of that suffering. So if you don't want suffering, where does it come from? Identify the cause, eliminate what's causing the suffering, which is the second Noble Truth. And then, because we have this desire to attain happiness, the Buddha taught the third and fourth Noble Truths, the truth of cessation and the truth of the path. That if we really want to have that freedom from suffering, that cessation of suffering, then we have, which is the third Noble Truth, then we have to do something to accomplish it, to attain that. That is the fourth Noble Truth. And that's it. That's the Buddhist teachings in a nutshell. We could look again at this structure, so listen carefully. When the Buddha taught, the Buddha said, recognize their suffering, get rid of the cause of suffering, actualize the cessation of suffering, and rely on or practice, meditate on the path to attaining cessation. Now, what is this meditation that the Buddha is talking about? This relying on or meditating on the path which attains cessation. There's a short way of saying it, and there's an extensive way of talking about it. The short version is encapsulated in a sutra verse where the Buddha says, commit no negative deeds, accumulate virtue, train your mind. That's the teaching of the Buddha. That is, in short, that in essence is what it means to meditate on the path to cessation. So here in that verse, this verse teaches the three trainings. So the three trainings are the trainings of ethics, concentration, and wisdom. And if you look again at that verse, the first line there, commit no negative actions and accumulate virtue, that's the training on ethics. And then the line where it says, train your own mind, that is the training of concentration and wisdom. Where the training of concentration is the practice that allows us to subdue the overt unrest of our mind, whereas the training of wisdom is what allows us to cut the root of our delusions, the grasping of self. Got that? Now, when we do it more extensively, what it means is a more elaborate explanation of meditating on the path. We can divide it into three vehicles, where we talk about the Shravaka Yana, the individual vehicle, the Pratyeka Buddha Yana, which is the solitary Buddha practice, and then the practice of the Bodhisattvas. So Shravaka, Pratyeka Buddha, and Bodhisattva.
디나가 되주레스.
So the first and the second, the Shravan and the Jacob Buddha, the hearers and solitary realizer vehicles, these are encapsulated in the teachings that I mentioned before that were given at Varanasi, the first turning of the wheel of the Dharma.
Teaching lam sesto dila do lam na lam ni che jerum jingi dina tosan ke su rola samu do jete la parchin tek na ba ni so de te ba chhe lam dila su su khasa chik sangi sam do che te ba chhe lam thela do lam chi da na lam chi ni che te ba chhe ke do lam jorwa o di ane ada 다자기 때문에 자꾸 공부를 숨샤되게 아니 생기면 저거디나 아니 양반장을 숨샤되 뒤집어 입어도 또 대단하소 말이지. 단마게 저걸 때 아무것도 나와서 내 예봐도 많이 봐봐 숨샤되 저걸 나와 뒤스 알레기아나 딩기체.
The first two, then the third, which is the Mahayana path, consists of the Sutra and Tantric teachings. So as Jeremiah said, the Mahayana teachings are divided into the Sutra and the Tantra now, and within that, to focus just on the Sutra for a moment, the Sutra teachings consist in the second turning of the wheel of the Dharma, the teachings on the characterlessness of all phenomena that were taught at Vulture's Peak, and the third turning of the wheel of the Dharma, which taught the Buddha nature of the Tathagata Garbha. And then that's the sutra part of it. And then the tantric teachings, they were the teachings that were indeed at Amaravati, and then they were the teachings that were given at no particular fixed time or place.
저거 공부를 숨샤베 생기면 저거기 숨라고. 딱 생기면 저거서야 이 말아서 배바다 지게서 잡아서기 균도마저 용계지 뒤숨승이 질로고요와 용계와 몸배 중이 증바 니치크 숨 드바 개도바 대단 남자야서 뇌용도 잡아 실을 입보다 아니 저기 도트바세 땡이다 들어오더라. 제가 내리는 거에 대해서 다다 말아서 대표적인 체 도저 체 도랑 대해서 소대 숨기들에
Really get into it. It's incredibly elaborate what it means, what's involved in meditating on the path. And here, again, if we focus, now we're talking about Mahayana, and then within Mahayana, if we divide it into Mahayana Sutra teachings, Mahayana Tantra teachings. Within the Sutra teachings, there are the teachings of the second turning of the wheel of the Dharma that were given at Vulture's Peak. These consist in sutras that we're all quite familiar with. These are the Prajnaparamita Sutras. So there's the lengthy 100,000 lines, the middling 20,000 lines, and the short 8,000 lines, and then there's the ultra distilled Heart Sutra and the summary verses of the Prajnaparamita. So the second turning, which is the Prajnaparamita Sutras, and within that, there's two points of practice. There's the practice of bodhicitta and the practice of emptiness. So that brings us to where we are now. Today, I'm going to start by talking about bodhicitta, or the mind awakening.
내가 치고 있거든. 장중습기 남의 시고 내주제 간데스 좋아해. 이게 자상 지시나 안에 장중습기 남스에 디 capture with these which are those who are the way any to assume the 저장에 단기 시험에 되게 로가 내내 다 장주스는 너무 쉬워요.
Started talking about bodhicitta right off the bat, did I did a circle around and now has brought us back to bodhicitta. There's a reason for that. That it's important to understand the context and the origins of these teachings. That try to keep in mind what I just said, explaining the context in which bodhicitta was taught. And when you do that, then now we can get to the actual main practice of talking about bodhicitta.
정중기 쌤 쓰라고 그래. 정중기 쌤. 정중기 쌤 써야 돼. 산스크리트에 나와 보디치tta라고 와. 저 보디 써야 돼. 부다. 이야기 따야타 가디가디 파라상가디 부디소하 시에 부디들어 와. 정중으로 와. 상기고 와. 지금 저번에 담제 장 연대 담주 콩도 축 아까 정축 라나했다. 아까 정축 도시 라나면 정축 라나했다. 상계라고 지금 장수도 매봤어 봐. 뉴질의 시리 탐제 매봤어 봐. 장 상계시 상세야 뉴질 시리 상바. 뉴질 시리 장바. 뉴질 시리 상바. 사다 장. 축도 잡아 콩도 줘봐. 또배 연대 담제 제가 증이 되는 시장 용수와 탐제 시와 똑바 제가 굉장히 아니 개별인데 축 장축 나와 되체 상계를 잡아 축기 잡아 계라 나가다가서 계수도 연대 탐제 rab도 계와 대해서 장라에 라는 내백이 내가 이 장축되다 상계색이 집발에도 대수도 보디 수도 장축 상계체. 모든 찢 찢다서도 잡아 쌤. 저는 쌤을 가려면 정축 상계의 토벌 되게 쌤. 상계 토벌 되게 쌤. 정축 토벌 되게 쌤라 정축 쌤라. 리야 세기셔봐. 다이셔봐. 되어만 세기만 돼 말해. 세기셔봐디 비차는 거래스. 다 죄송아 정축 쌤라 bodhicitta. Bodhicitta shebe bodhicitta buddha sangye chitta saya de sem sangye tomar de sem or chanchu sem tsiki shebe de
word bodhicitta. So we can break it up into the Sanskrit word up into two parts, bodhi and chitta. Where here bodhi you'll know from the mantra as it's recited in the Heart Sutra, where you have in the end of that mantra it says bodhi. That's the same bodhi. That refers to awakening. Where if we look at the etymology of how the term is translated into Tibetan, then that again has two parts. The Tibetan term Jangjup, where Jangwa has the sense of eliminating, removing the two obscurations, the emotional obscurations and the cognitive obscurations. And then Jup has the sense of understanding. So if you look at that etymology and you bring them together, then Bodhi has this combined sense of both eliminating what needs to be eliminated and this positive sense of understanding. And now compare that to the word Buddha. This also has the same etymology when we look at the Tibetan word, where we have a Tibetan term Samma, which again means removing, but instead of this word for understanding, the Tibetan word for Buddha has this sense of expanding and a sense of gaining qualities. But the point here is that Bodhi, the Sanskrit word Bodhi and Buddha mean the same thing. And therefore when we say bodhicitta, which means chitta meaning mind, the mind of awakening, it's the same thing as saying the mind which desires to be a Buddha. So looking at these words, it's in fact saying exactly the same thing, it's just wanting to be a Buddha. And so that's just the etymology. This is not yet a sort of philosophical explanation of what bodhicitta means.
상기 고마 토가 되면 상도 찍고 지금 말이스 생계세야리 드바 어다시 듣나 되게 드바 니가 되베 생 캐버체 지라 생계세라 드바 니가 되베 생 캐버체 드바 니세드 람드 드바다 셴드 드바 람드 드바다 셴드 드바 니가 되베 생 캐버체 되라 생계세그레 세네 저도 작업을 디소 단 디소가 때문에 말아서 흉측을 나라 생계이 생기샤요들 신뢰도 조사와 미시 랑기 조수 집에 대바도 소를 대배 생 개발제 아니 생계이 생기 소 들어도 생계이 생기는 가는 거래 신뢰도 조사와 미까지 신뢰도 조사와 미네 랑기 도들 집에 조사디 도지 사지 대대니 이집이 거래 다 디고는 이슈고
The definition of Bodhicitta goes back to Maitreya's text, the Abhisamaya Alankara, where there's a famous verse in which Maitreya Buddha says, that Bodhicitta is the wish to attain awakening for others. Now, just that we can see that when we say the mind of awakening, it's not just wanting to be awakened. It's more than that. It actually requires there to be two sort of intentional desires. You're actually seeking two things there. You're seeking your own purpose and you're seeking the purpose of others. And so that then, based on the definition, the verse there in the Abhisamaya Alankara, that eventually gets formulated as the classical definition of bodhicitta, which is that for the sake of others, the desiring to attain awakening, to the sake of others, desiring to attain awakening while having in place the two mental factors of the desire, one's own purpose, and another's purpose. And so that in mind, particularly an extraordinary primary mind, so then it's a gnarly definition, so that it would be a extraordinary primary mind equipped with the two mental factors, which has its goal, complete awakening, and the purpose is for the purpose of others.
Oh yeah, I want to say Dubai da devasu yoba Dubai chao Dubai da dende sem kyoslara ta tamunya Dubai semkare ram thun duba shen duba alenya dosata singi tola mama chana shen duba ram duba singi shen duba sakar shengi thun sing tamusha shengi thun ani shengi thun singi sheba chene Dendenti tobar dubate shendun dubas kwa. Digi de alingya shendun. Shengi de sanakarare sawa. Shengi de laya dela shen ramba yibe shen semje tam chiche. Digi de da dela niyo negab de da tardu de. Shen semje tam jala negab linaya devara devachi. Dumere javachi seya ye tadachi. 만나 신습제 탐제 코란족이 통절기에 상기 승리지 요르스 신습제 탐제 상기 있어와 왜토는 신습제 탐제 동네 탐제를 제주고래 타도게 되어도 그랬어 근데 이마이가 신습제 탐제라 내가 패도자 많이 봐 신습제 탐제 타도 상기 있어와 거의 신습제 탐제 코란기 토비아기 타반 양면에 대봐 상기 있어와 거의 세 상기 있어와 거의 상기 지도와 그냥 신기 저다 신기 되는데라 내가 되지다 타도 되지 니체 신기 누가 쓰다가 대지기 신습제 탐제기 내가 타도 두개 깨치시는데 셴신제 탐제 대화타다라 대화다 동해 타다를 제네 상기 살아야 그걸 지기 사베사로스 도와 어디라 셴든 드바스와 저 셴든 드바라 셴신제기 내가부터 그게 찍고 상박이야 쏘고 셴신제 탐지기 탑도거든 셴신제 탐지기 탑도거든 가래 셴신제 탐지 상기 살아고야 냠대 살아고야 들이 대제인자 제롬진기 렉시세징 나와 셴튼니 셴규기 냠대라고
Here in that complicated definition, I talked about these two desires or these two technically sort of mind seeking a goal. So there's this mind, this mental factor which is seeking something. So what is, we're going to call it desire. There's these two desires. So what are they? There's the desire, what we call the desire for other, seeking for other and for self. But for that to make any sense, we have to distinguish what is the purpose. If it's desiring the other's purpose, what is that purpose that it features? And here, the other's purpose, we talk about the purpose or the goal of others' goal, the purpose of others, we can talk about that in a temporary sense, or their sort of ultimate goal or purpose. Temporarily speaking, that's being happy, free from suffering. But here we're not talking just about that. We're talking about their ultimate purpose, which is to attain awakening. So that's how you can see that just wanting others to be happy isn't itself bodhicitta. It has to be that you're seeking, when you have this mental factor, which is desiring the goal for others, what you're desiring is you're desiring for them to have the ultimate goal or purpose of awakening. And so that's why in Jervis's commentary, the Golden Rosary, he says, what does the purpose of others mean? It means the other beings awakening, the awakening of other beings. In other words, what you're seeking is for other beings to attain awakening. So let's get this straight. I'm going to put it in sort of practical terms because we're going to be practicing this. Here, when we're talking about the mental factor which desires the purpose of others, in easier terms, what it's desiring is for all beings to have the complete happiness of Buddhahood. Mental factors of desire, which are seeking goals, seeking the goal of others, seeking goal of self. So now let's look at that second one, seeking the mental factor of desire, seeking the goal of self. What is our own goal? We can talk about it in temporary terms as being happy, getting what you want, or ultimately, which is having complete awakening of a Buddha. And here we're talking about the latter. We're talking about one's own purpose is to attain awakening. And so therefore, the desire for one's own purpose is none other than the desire for oneself to attain awakening.
공부에 남나야 상기 최 인보 자주 셈다 또이 아와레 서서무여 봐. 다들에서 계란서 자주 셈 법을 그걸 쓰고 나도 미소기 자주 셈이 걸로 군주의 카미 수마들에서 던지고 말이야. 아무쪼록 거예요. 자주 셈 공부를 순서를 딱 거예요. 앞서서 거기에는 세상 예 미만까지도 계시지. 여러분 저기 자주 셈 공부도 왔어. 자주 셈 공부에 계시지 형들 공부에서 간데서 공부 성질을 너무 쇼 성질. 자주 셈이 자신이 공부해도 자주 셈이 팀이 누가 되는 셈이 공부도 좋아. 제가 뒤에 맞잖아. 노출적으로다. 미지지가 자주 셈 공부인 채 누가 이 셈이 뭐고 나 상기를 고마워 쇼 뒤치고 이 공부는 라지지 차이인 거예요. 자주 셈 하셔. 나 자체신지 나도 좀 상기로다. 신제시에는 가네가 됐나 그랬어. 나도 상기로 했어. 이 공부는 라지지 차이인 거예요. 뒤로 투지시 고면 자주 셈이 만큼 고면 좀 이런 자주 셈 생기기 definition 생이 간단 뭐만 가래 누구서 그래서 대대가 누구니가 되는 셈이 하거나 자주 셈 하고 요래 누구니가 되는 셈 하고 하지 나상이 고모토로 쇼스 디스트고 하거나 자주 셈 하고 요만다 이 셈을 양이야.
Always urging us again and again, always to meditate on bodhicitta, meditate on bodhicitta. Again and again, he tells us that, and we think we're doing that. When I go around and I ask people, the public, and I meet them, are you meditating on bodhicitta? Then when I look at what they're actually meditating on, they're simply reciting the words of the refuge verse. That's the words of bodhicitta. That's not the meaning of bodhicitta. And what's missing in that practice is the essential point that bodhicitta, the mind of awakening, has this twofold desire. The desire for one's own goal and the desire for the goal of others. And so that what happens is if you don't understand the actual definition of bodhicitta and you just do the recitations, it ends up being self-cherishing because implicitly what you're thinking is, I'm going to attain awakening and other folks will work it out eventually. Whereas the idea that the whole point of bodhicitta is to counter that self-cherishing and instead to have that twofold desire of one's own goal and the goals of others. So it's essential that we understand that bodhicitta consists of these two desires. Roughly speaking, is bodhicitta. That it's this extraordinary mind which is sort of supported by these two mental factors of desire, these two goals. So with that in place, now we can talk about practicing bodhicitta, meditating on bodhicitta. And to meditate on bodhicitta, we have to actually understand the practice. There's this sort of very widespread tendency to just go ahead and meditate without having any idea of what we're actually doing. So it's essential to actually understand what's involved in the practice.
Yana 규제 매만 등기 거는 자주 쓰는 거 매도 야나 다시 양지 거는 자주 쓰는 거 매도 뭐래서 이거는 자주 쓰는 거다 너려 말해 못 출발 야나 자요래서 디직션 기초를
meditate on bodhicitta according to the traditions. There's two ways of going about it. One is the lineage that begins with Maitreya. It comes all the way down to Rinpoche and then all the way down to us through His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which is the practice of the sevenfold cause and effect. Or, that's the first tradition. The second tradition or technique comes down to us beginning with Manjushri, to Nagarjuna, to Shantideva, and then again down to us through the instructions of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And that's the exchanging self with other. So there are these two approaches. You can practice or meditate on bodhicitta through the sevenfold cause and effect, or through exchanging self and other. And if you're doing one of those things, either of those two, then your practice of bodhicitta is unmistaken.
단단히 딱 모든 제 굉장히 기술라 아니 다신양지 시원하게 귀샤네 샤디 대화에 귀샤네 다신양지 돈 자주 쓰는 겁나 별로 쳐왔다 랍쳐 야가 요리스네 라마 제리스랑 수부도 겨울지와 제가 다른이 캐라조라 시원하게 로기 다신양지 자주 쓰는 겁나데 튀긴 표현이
Today's times, for our modern world, for us, His Holiness, the embodiment of Avalokiteshvara, has said that what's more beneficial and has greater blessings is to practice that latter tradition, which is the exchanging self and other. And so for this reason, today, that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to be teaching the meditation on bodhicitta through exchanging self and other, which is the lineage of Shantideva.
대대리 장주 쌤 다시 겸주요 거는 장주 쌤 거면에 조조 시월라게 준주가 송요래스 한 준주가 나와 가져다오 지가네 아니 송요래스 나다 다할 레벨다 준주기 공도인 인구대 장주 쌤 쪽으로 보지 마게바 기교지 개발해봐 내봐야 고려 공도 배우쇼 세피나는 데로래스 가져도 올라라 장주 심조로 보지 마게바는 개교지에서 장주 심마게바게 최도 주주로 당분이 것수마 아 개바냐바 레바 양스 장주 심 개네 미냐바 아니 냐바 레바 미냐바 내야 되다가 주주로 시바나와 주바 다 장주 심 개세바에 고뇌 공도야 아니 배야 대기 최도 주주로 드바 개바 아니 구바 디체 다 딘제기 장주 심 냠네 제가 되게 마케바 개바 네바 공을 배워 되게 냠네 제가 개베 자와남 추메사와 최도 모노 나야 되라 준주류 주바 모여리고 스테인자 준주류 주디다 장주 심주로 부제세 쇼로가 지금 따가 나로 드바디 무슨 캠프에 계셔.
Here, when we look at the tradition coming down from Shantideva taught these instructions in his guide to the Bodhisattva's way of life, Bodhicharya Avatara. And there, his instructions are incredibly extensive. But they're all distilled into the prayer of bodhicitta we make, where we pray that the most precious mind of awakening that has not arisen may arise, has arisen, not decline, but increase more and more. Where when we breaking that down, we pray that the mind of awakening that has not arisen arise. That's the first, second, and third chapter of the Bodhicharya Avatara. And when we pray that it not decline, that the precious mind of awakening not degenerate, that's the fourth, fifth, and sixth chapter of the text. And then we pray that it may increase more and more. That's the seventh, eighth, and ninth chapter. And then so that this merit will not be wasted or be lost, that's the dedication chapter. second session, we're going to go back and forth between me explaining it, and then we're going to meditate on it, and I'm going to explain it again. And through that process, we're going to go through the basic 5 steps of this practice.
Dalari